May 1st, it's Verizon dividend day. So I had $189.84 worth of qualified dividends on 300 shares of Verizon, and I wanted to boost that up a little bit. So on 4/23, I sold three $61 call contracts for 17 cents each, and they expired today worthless. And so how that works out is got 17-cent contracts, 3 cents each, for a total of $51 or 51 cents times 100 shares or $51. Commissions on that was $1.95, giving me a net profit of $49.05. So the dividend and the premium contract, or the option premium, turns out to be 25% of the dividend amount. So this is what I call the fifth dividend. So this is a very easy way to increase your dividends on your long-term holdings. Thanks.